Hello, I invited you the city of Santa Marta, located in the Caribbean Sea of the department of Magdalena. Is it with main things the count? If you want the place to the call, Santa Marta is the best choice. The tourist package includes this itinerary. Day 1. What do, what to do in this Santa Marta? Day 1. Historical knowledge of Santa Marta with visit to the park of the Novios and Quinta, San Pedro Alejandrino and Tayrona Museum. Day 2. Day 2. Visit to the Great Natural Park of Tayrona. This is part a contrast of maritime and forest ecosystem. You can see the mountains and the beach in the same place with a blue and calm sea to the harmony with nature. Day 3. Visit to the Taganga and with beach. There are diving and snorkel activities with the swimming of corals and main fish. Stream activities like canopy in the sea and aquatic games like the one on the blender. Lodging accommodation there is 2 5-star resort with an excellent location near the sea and the typical food of the region, with coconut rice and carimañola.